What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy A71. Now this is from Amazon. It's QHOHQ. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's cheap. It's $3.95 for a 3-pack. So about $1 and change for each tempered glass screen protector, which is not bad. There's really not that much options out there, but I just wanted to grab something to see if it actually works with the in-display fingerprint reader. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. So we have all the installation kits. So you have 3 of each. You have the instructions, you have the squeegee, and you have 3 tempered glass screen protectors. Let's go ahead and put that in there. We'll leave the rest in there for future installations. Let's take a quick look at the glass itself. Now this is full tempered glass. As you can see, there's no matrix dot effect or anything. This is the top. I guess you can only tell this is the top by the sticker there. So let's grab the Galaxy A71, and the pre-installed screen protector is pretty good, but it gets pretty scratched pretty easily. So I just wanted to try something else. I don't know if you can see the scratches on this bad boy, but it is pretty scratched. Let's go ahead and peel it off. If I can peel it off. Come on, dude. There we go. So the screen protector is off. Let's go ahead and give it a quick wipe down and clean it and install the one we currently bought. You know what I'm gonna do? Since there's no alignment tray or anything like that, I think I'm gonna put the case that I currently have on just to kind of guide the screen protector. Let's put that back. So I have the Rinky case here, so I'm just gonna put that on there so I can kind of use it as a guiding tray. Well, actually, there it goes, and it's full adhesive, so you can see the screen protector sticking to the actual screen. And then I guess you use this to push out the air bubble. I have one air bubble right there, and boom, and that's pretty flawless. Actually, having the screen, the actual case here, actually helped out because it kind of did. It's a little bit high, but that's okay. Did I cover the speaker? Ooh, perfect, just below the speaker. So let's go ahead and see how this thing works. So I might have to yeah. Oh, then it says I tried it 5 times already. See if this works. So let's clean it. Oh, it's not bad. You can see with the screen off. And you don't have to press that hard either. Actually, you don't have to press hard at all. Oh, nice. Nice. So this thing does work. It's actually pretty good. To my surprising, it works pretty well. So $3.95. It does not have prime shipping, but it came pretty fast. It came like in 2-3 days. So this is the QHOHQ. It's a screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy A71. $3.95, no prime shipping, free delivery though, and free return. So they have them in stock. Like I said, you get them pretty fast. You get a 3-pack for $4. It doesn't get better than that. If you have any comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.